What's up, y'all? It's your boy Deadeye the Zombie, and I got a new look going on and shit. Anyways, that's not the point of this video. Some more shits just went down. Boondocks is officially signed to MNE, Magic Ninja Entertainment. I got the post on Fago Lovers open right now as I'm speaking to you. It's a short post. I'll read it. Twisted and most of the Magic Ninja Entertainment family just got off of the MNE seminar stage at Rock and Shock. They dropped quite a few announcements, most of which we'll cover in another post, but biggest one by far ends all speculation, that is Boondocks is signed with Magic Ninja Entertainment. They made sure to put that in bold too. We know from past spots that he has been a post. We know from past posts that he's been in Detroit working on new music, so we can only assume that was in the Dojo Studios after this announcement. Look for more details to surface soon. That was a mouthful, but that's what she said. Eh. I'm not the biggest fan of Boondocks, but there's a lot of folk on there, and I'm like, oh shit. So tell me what's your opinion in the comments below. I think it's iffy, so peace.